All right, in your packet, flip to where it says 5.at.8. It says number 1, write the expression. So we are skipping around in our packet. I skipped a couple pages. It says write the expression to represent the quantity. Raina has 5 more quarters than dimes. And it also gives us some more expressions that I want you to write down for me. Okay? Go ahead and do all of number 1. All of number 1. One more minute. All right, let's talk about this one together. Who thinks they know an expression to represent that Raina has 5 more quarters than dimes? What does that mean, an expression? Max? C says 5 plus D equals Q. You have letters in math? What are those called? Those letters in math. Alyssa? Variables. Very good. So what are you having this D represent, Max? Dimes. And your Q stands for quarters. Very nice. 5 more quarters than dimes. Now the only thing I would change is your expression is correct. I would put your D first because you have your dimes and then you have 5 more quarters. So add 5 more to your dimes. So I would flip it. You would still get the same answer because when you do addition, does it matter the order? No, but if you're reading this correctly as the expression, I would do this one. Okay? Very good. If you miss this, write it down in your packet. All right, the next one. She has 8 dimes. How many quarters does she have? What is your expression then? Mimi?
Mine is D.
D is just a variable. I want a whole expression here. Raina?
8 plus 5.
Yeah, you could do 8 plus 5. Because it tells us that she has 8 dimes. And I know that she always has how many more quarters? 5 more. For a total of then how many?
15.
Very nice. The next one, she has 15 quarters. How many dimes does she have? What is my expression, Justice? Say it louder. Yeah, 15 minus 5. She has 15 quarters and she always has 5 less than of those dimes. She has D dimes. How many quarters does she have? And we actually used this expression once already. What would I use there? Justice? D plus 5. Very good. She has Q quarters. How many dimes does she have? Justice? Q minus 5. However many quarters she has? She has 5 less dimes. Very good. All right, turn in your packet to the next page. Remember, we're skipping around here. And it's going to say 5.C.1. Justice. 5.C.1. And it's actually in the middle of the page. It's not going to be at the top. And it says that there are 225 dozen cookies. Right here. I want you to go ahead and answer this one right here. There are 225 dozen cookies in the bakery. How many cookies are there? There are 225 dozen cookies in the bakery. How many cookies are there? tell me your equation for that problem right there. Charlie. She says 225 times 12. Why times 12, Charlie? Yes, because there are 12 cookies per dozen. All right, 5 times 2.
10.
Carry my 1 up here. 2 times 2.
4.
Plus 1.
5.
2 times 2.
4.
I put a magic.
0.
Let's cross off that 1. I already used it. I don't want to accidentally use it again.
Where are you marking this out?
1 times 5 is?
5.
1 times 2 is?
2.
1 times 2 again.
2.
And then I add. Make sure you put your commas where they go and a label, cookies. Very nice. There are 12 in a dozen. All right, let's turn the page. All right, we are looking at number 1 under 5.c.2. It says that there are 1,155 cookies to share with 13 groups of people. About how many cookies will each group get? Go ahead and solve. All right, what is your equation that you used here? Hannah? Tell me one more time. Very nice. Do you remember how to do long division? Let's check here. All right. Can I do 1 divided by 13? Can I do 11 divided by 13?
No.
Can I do 115 divided by 13?
Yes.
How many times?
8.
8, because you did 13 times 8, which is what?